Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mint a Galaxy Passport. First, understand that a Galaxy Passport is your unique digital identity within the Web3 ecosystem, designed to prove you are a real person. This helps prevent bots and ensures fair participation in various activities. We'll walk through connecting your wallet, verifying your identity, and completing the minting process step by step, making it easy to get your own digital passport. Before you begin, navigate to the official Galx Passport website. You'll need to connect your self-custodial EVM wallet, like MetaMask, to the platform. It's crucial to ensure your wallet is funded with enough BNB tokens to cover the minting fee, which is usually about $7. This small, one-time fee secures your unique digital identity on the blockchain. Once your wallet is connected, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions before moving to identity verification. This process typically involves uploading a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, like a driver's license or a national ID. Afterward, you'll complete a selfie verification by carefully following the prompts on your screen to confirm your identity. After successful identity verification, you'll confirm the transaction in your connected wallet to mint your Galaxy Passport. This passport is a non-transferable soul-bound token, meaning it's permanently linked to your wallet. It serves as a secure, privacy-preserving digital identity for various Web3 applications, helping to prevent Sybil attacks and potentially qualifying you for exclusive opportunities like airdrops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.